Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for near price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Someone asked me for near today and I would be glad of course to update it for you guys. So what happened for near? Let's take a overview again for the scenarios where we have of course an A, a B and a C here finishing a wave A or a wave W. After this, we got, of course, an impulse probably toward the downside here in 5 waves, probably, or it can be even an A, B, and a C. 3 waves down and correction and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an ending diagonal as well is very, very possible and higher possibility even because as an impulse, it is a little bit looking, of course, a very, very choppy. So in this case, ABC probably finishing a wave a B in the yellow and finishing a wave X in case you are in W, X, and a Y. In case you are in yellow, of course, you are also an a B, and a C. The difference is, of course, the wave Y or the wave C that you will get in this area. Now, after this bottom here, we got, of course, an impulse toward the upside. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, it can be also a zigzag at the same time, where we see, of course, this correction exactly in the middle, separating two equal waves A and C. Now, probably then we have a wave 1 in an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 4 did not interfere with your zone 1. Or you have an ABC, impulse, correction, impulse. In this case, a blue scenario, ABC, where you have, of course, an impulse here, where we said probably that it is an impulse, of course, you might have an A, a B, and a C for your blue count. Yeah, so the blue count would like, of course, to be impulsive because you are looking after a wave C. So you would like to see, of course, a 1, 2, 1, 2 at least, and 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. However, let's take a look if this scenario is valid or not. If we take a look here on the daily, we have probably very, very choppy waves, of course. And as you can see, this cannot serve as a wave 1. It looks already like 3 waves towards the downside. So starting correctively, meaning, of course, we cannot be impulsive, toward the downside. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, of course, and finishing probably here in WXY, 3 waves again. And if this is a 3 waves, of course, we got another 3 waves up and then 3 waves down. Now your scenario becomes, therefore, here, probably as leading diagonal, right? Because you have a zigzag, right? A, B, and a C, A, B, and a C, A, B, and a C. So this is the only way that you can be, of course, impulsive or in a motive wave, I would say, towards the downside, right? In a leading contracting diagonal. However, it looks very, very equal waves so far, but not invalidated yet. If you are in a leading contracting diagonal, therefore, of course, this might be your wave 1, all of it, once you finish 4 and a 5. So you still need 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish this leading diagonal, ABC for a wave 2, and then moving for a wave 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, yeah, I mean, for this scenario, even it needs like even still wider range until it reach, of course, as this scenario. And we're still looking for a 4 and a 5 in this case. And if we are, of course, impulsive. So let's put this anyway. In case we are impulsive, you would like, of course, not just moving from here. You would like to move higher a little bit. So 4, 5, and then A, B, and a C for a wave 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So this is another scenario, of course, where we can reach, probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But until, I mean, to give this higher possibility, I need to see the leading diagonal first. I mean, it's still very, very early to call this. Yeah, so it is very, very low possibility for me for now. Yeah. And basically, we have finished here A, B, and a C toward the downside. We were looking perfectly. Wow, we have hit perfectly the fib levels. I didn't realize this until now, but yeah, perfectly hit at 1.05, meaning this is of course higher possibility. Regular flat ABC as expected, perfect fib levels hit, and we probably start to move for higher here. Probably. In also two scenarios, which are, of course, if you are impulsive here, you have finished probably wave 2. Let's see check the fib levels. What fib levels have we hit here for a wave 2? In an impulse, probably perfect. 0.5 fib level, nice. I'm gonna remove it because it's too much. Yeah, so perfectly fib level for a wave 2. ABC also perfect hit for a regular flat. I would say 1, 2, then 3, 4, and a 5 probably are the next targets. Now, if we are 3 waves up, 3 waves down, then of course it's still ABC, right? So if this is an ABC, A, B, and you're looking for a wave C, which it can be as well as the same targets and the blue box for a wave Y. In this case scenario, ABC meaning is your wave Y, right? Because you are in WXY. If this is an A, B, and a C, you are looking for the wave Y because it is a 3-wave structure, meaning those are your targets. Therefore, a higher possibility right now is going for the Y, which are between the $22 and the $14 for near. Yeah, so these are the insight. After this, in case we see impulsive wave getting outside this green box, we will move directly to a big A, B, C toward the upside, hitting again a regular flat 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, 1.05 at $49 for near. That was it for near. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.